Jade plant dropping leaves is a common problem that can be caused by a variety of factors including Number 1 overwatering, Number 2 underwatering, Number 3 insufficient light, Number 4 pest and diseases, Number 5 fertilizer. Let's see how these problems can occur and how to fix them.
Overwater.
Jade plant is a succulent, which means they store water in their leaves, stem and roots. Too much water can damage plants' roots, which leads to root rot and other problems like yellowing of the leaves or dropping of the leaves. To avoid overwatering, always check the soil moisture. If it is dry, water the plant thoroughly. If the soil is soggy, allow it to dry out completely before watering again. This may take a few days or even weeks, depending on the size of the plant and the pot. If plant is severely overwatered, it may cause root rot. In that case it may be necessary to remove the plant and allow it to air dry and repot it again. Use well-draining potting mix such as cactus or succulent potting mix, so that the water will not accumulate and it will drain out completely. In monsoon, jade plant needs less water, and to avoid overwatering, keep them under the shelter.
This was all about overwatering and how overwatering can affect your plant. Let's see underwatering and its side effects. Underwater. In the summer season, jade plants may need more water. If the jade plant is underwatered, it will drop its leaves because it is trying to conserve water by shedding its leaves. Plant leaves may become dry, wrinkled and brown. If you notice these signs, water the plant deeply and immediately. You can also mist the plant's leaves to humidify. If your plant is not overwatered or underwatered, but still, the plant is getting affected, then the cause is insufficient light. Since this is a succulent, it needs 6 hours of bright light. It thrives well in bright light. Without sunlight, the jade plant becomes leggy and weak and its leaves may turn yellow or it may fall off. If you notice any of these signs, then move your jade plant to a brighter location. If you cannot provide enough natural light, supplement with a grow light. Avoid drastic changes in temperature. Moving a plant from outside to indoors, where it lacks sufficient fresh air and sunlight. This sudden change in weather can shock the plant, which affects the plant's health. In monsoon season, jade gets infected by insects, especially mealy bugs. These mealy bugs suck nutrients from the plant and plant health gets affected, which leads to dropping leaves or yellowing of the leaves. You can remove mealy bugs by using alcohol or vinegar or dishwashing liquid. Over-fertilizer can cause spots on leaves and can cause yellowing or the leaves or dropping of the leaves. Fertilizing it either every 4 months or even twice a year is sufficient.
By following these tips, you can help your jade plant thrive. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on jade plant care.